Namaskar everyone and a warm welcome to the second episode of Story and the Storyteller. If you people are watching my channel for the first time, do subscribe my channel, and the people who have been already watching my channel and not yet subscribed, do subscribe my channel. So today I am here to talk about Sri Krishna's birth. As it is Janmashtami, a very happy Janmashtami to all. Before getting into the story, let me talk a few words about the real hero, Sri Krishna. Krishna is said to be born in Mathura. According to the Bhagavata Purana, it is said that he has been born in the Yadava Kula, son of Devaki and Vasudeva. The foster parents are Nandaraja and Yashodama. It is believed that Janmashtami is celebrated in the 8th day of Krishna Paksha in Shravana or Bhadrapad. Krishna is the 8th incarnation of Lord Vishnu. So it's time to get into the story.
There was a great noble king, Ugrasena. He had two kids, Kansa and Devaki. Kansa was an evil king. He, with other demon kings, used to terrorize the cosmos and the Mother Earth. She was helpless and was not able to bear the pain. Kansa even seized the Madhura throne from his father. Mother Earth prayed to Brahma and pleaded for help. The creator Brahma went to Vishnu and asked for the incarnation and reveal Mother Earth from the evil deeds of the kings. Vishnu accepted the request to protect the world. In meantime, Kansa allowed it for Devaki's marriage with Yadava king Vasudeva, a noble man. After the wedding, they were on the way in the chariot to the palace. There arose a divine noise from the heaven. Hey Kans, your death is near. The eighth son of Devaki and Vasudeva will kill you. Kansa was shocked. With all anger, he took out his sword and decided to kill Devaki. But Vasudeva pleaded to him and promised to give each and every child to Kansa as soon as the child is born. Thus, Kansa took Devaki and Vasudeva to the prison. The child was born. The evil Kans used to come and kill the child all the time. Devaki gave birth to the eighth son. A bright light from heaven penetrating the prison, and the divine voice was heard. Take the child across the Yamuna and leave him with Nandaraj. Nandaraja and Yashoda had given birth to a baby child at that night. Vasudeva secretly carried the child. The whole Mathura was asleep. He crossed the river, but it was not in a calm state. It was like an ocean with thunder, lightning, and heavy rain. Soon, Vishnu Sheshanatha, a giant serpent, came from behind for their protection and helped Vasudeva to cross the river. Vasudeva exchanged the child and he came back to Mathura with the baby girl. The baby cried and the sound reached out Mathura and Kansa arrived and was about to kill the baby girl. The baby girl suddenly transformed into a goddess Yogamaya and said, "O foolish Kansa, your slayer have already taken birth. Once he will come and kill you for your sin." On the other side, they had a celebration in Gokul. Everyone came to give blessings to the baby boy. Nandaraja and Yashoda named him Krishna. The boy was a dark skin with a sparkle in his eyes. He never cried, always smiling. Everyone used to love him. Everyone used to love the company of Krishna with them. Krishna Janmashtami is celebrated as a great festival in India. The devotees keep a fasting until midnight, the traditional hour of Krishna's birth. Then the image of Krishna is bathed in water and milk, dressed in new clothes and worshipped. Temples and houses are decorated with flowers and diyas. The yandi, where the kids and the boys are in the imitation of Krishna's childhood play with cowherd boys, where they stole the curds hung out of reach by their mothers. The festival is a time of singing and dancing.
So the celebration is about singing, dancing, and especially Dayandi and taking the form of Lord Sri Krishna. We are so lucky to be Indians, right? We can celebrate all the festivals with all the colors in our life. I hope you all liked the story. If if you find any flaws in that, please forgive me and you can anytime make the corrections in the comment box. Keep following my channel and a very happy Janmashtami to all. Take care. Bye bye. Jai Shri Krishna. Ta-da!